Look at these guys. SMD Outfitters in St. Johnsbury. They have some interesting taxidermy here. Looks like you got a fox and some kind of a cat. Write in the comments below, what kind of cat is that? This is downtown Lyndonville, Vermont. Check this out. It's a giant clamp by artist David Lank or Lynch or something like that. Look at the size of that. This is the name of the artist that made this giant piece. David Hang? How to say it. But anyhow, my hand. Look at the size of that. It's a monster. That's amazing. How would you fabricate that? Or was it cast? Maybe they welded these pieces together. What a massive piece. What a giant, well, they call them a C-clamp. Probably the biggest C-clamp in the world right here in Lyndonville. Made of solid steel. And it looks like it operates too. It would actually turn. Cool beans. There's a varmint. What kind of animal is that? Looks like a varmint to me, or what is this? A fisher cat, perhaps? I'm not sure. Looks like something my dog killed last week on the front lawn.